All right, so I made my next stop over at Middleby. Now I found Brian. And Brian, what do you do for the company?
So I'm Bryant Woolcock. I'm the VP of Sales for Southbend. We manufacture commercial convection ovens, ranges, griddles, broilers, you name it.
So I'm assuming we're gonna talk about some sort of convection oven or some sort of goodness. What do you got for me?
Absolutely. So we've got our ventless convection oven here. This is a double stack. What makes the Southbend double stack ventless oven unique is there's no additional profile added to it, right? So my ventless system is a completely internal catalytic converter, right? So I don't have any filters that you have to change. There's no routine maintenance required to keep the ventless aspect. So now you can take an electric convection oven, put it anywhere you want, not have to worry about having 4 feet of hood space. And the other thing that's great about the double stack is it's very short, right?
Yeah.
Some of the other ones you see are like 70, 72 inches. This is only 64 3/4 inches. So even if you're not the tallest person in the world,
Like me?
you're not reaching up over top of your head to pull hot product out, right? Creating a potential risk of burning there. So being the double stack height with the ventless, not adding any profile to it, makes it great for a lot of K-12 operators out there.
So what type of power do you have to run to it to get it going?
So we do 208 3-phase, but what's cool with the ventless system is it's actually retrofittable as well. You don't need any electric to power it. So the way that it works is the catalytic converters get heated up by our heating elements in there. Once the catalysts get hot, the grease-laden vapor touches the precious metals. It chemically converts it into carbon dioxide, as well as a few molecules of water that are going to evaporate instantaneously. So it's retrofittable, meaning if I pulled these racks out and I pull the baffle out of the back, I can take 4 bolts out that are holding the motor in, put the catalyst in, bolt it back in. There's no electronics to it, and boom, I have an EPA 202 certified ventless convection oven.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So what type of support do you guys offer your customers?
So we have a vast supply of reps and different test kitchens throughout the country. We have our Innovation Kitchen in Dallas where you can see this equipment. So whether you want to demo it up front, whether you want to demo it in the field, we're happy to send ovens out to people that want to test them. That's no issue for us. And then after the fact, if you need service, we have well over 300 authorized service agents throughout the country. We're shipping parts out next day air to get our customers back up and running as quickly as they can. And the other great thing when it comes to service is for K-12 operators, every Southbend convection oven is going to come with a 5-year part and labor warranty. Nobody else is doing that in the industry. There's others that might give you 5 years on their best oven. I don't care which oven you buy from me. If it says Southbend on it, you're a K-12 operator, you're getting a 5-year part and labor warranty.
That's awesome. And I have to say, because you mentioned the Mick, go to the Mick. The Mick in Dallas is awesome. It's like every chef's like Disney World or something like that.
For sure.
It's crazy. It's crazy. Well, hey, thank you so much. I appreciate you giving me the tour.
Of course.
Talk soon.
Thank you.